Hello guys, TIY here. Today I'll be showing you how to install and activate the Vsdc video editor. I'll leave a link in the description for both the installation package and the key. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into the video.
Help me help you.
Welcome back. As you can see, I have an exe installation application and a text document, which both be in the folder that you can download in the description. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly install this. I'll pause here, and once I'm done installing, I'll come back. As you can see, I finished installing the application. So you're quickly just going to click on activation, click on activate, open this, copy the code, and paste it, then activate. Have some patience, this may take some time. After you have restarted the application by simply closing and opening it, it should state License to Special Edition Giveaway of the Day. And that's it for the video. If you guys liked it, please leave a comment, subscribe, and TIY.